Hello everybody, I'm going to do one final test on this Spectroline versus this one. I have my eyeball safety. It covers 254 nanometers. It's going to be very brief. I will have them both plugged in. Both of them are plugged in. Now I'm going to turn the good one on. You see the light come on? Lamp lights. This one, it does nothing. I can hear a little bit of high voltage hum from the transformer, but nothing. So I will leave you all on while I unplug this. Both of them are unplugged. Now I'm going to use the transformer from this one to light that one and vice versa. I gotta take these off, I can't see. So okay, the white lines. Which ones are the lamp? Pink lines are the lamp on this one. Okay. Let's see if this transformer lights my lamp. Let's inspect this lamp here. Okay. That lamp don't look too bad. Get the right lines. We will disconnect this. Okay. Just so we can check this out. I will keep this high voltage over here. We'll see if this lamp, if this lights that lamp, then we know that lamp is bad. But if it don't light up, then we'll go reverse. Okay. Verify I am on the right lines there. Yes, let's go back to the transformer. So, don't want to plug in the wrong one. So I'm going to plug, let me get my eyeballs on. Slide that in so you can see if it lights. There we go. Now if that lights up my known good lamp, we are good to go. I'm going to just turn the knob on. Ah, see? We have a bad lamp. So I will verify that and I will reverse it. And do those checks, but yeah, this is a big bummer. I'm gonna keep saying bummer. So not gonna pull. Okay, I will pull my lamp out. That's my lamp. Let's throw this lamp in here. Yeah, these lamps are unobtainable. Nope, that won't slide in there. That's not gonna fit in mine. Should fit. There it goes. Okay. Let's put this with my transformer and see if it lights. I shouldn't have to be doing this, but it is what it is, right? Okay. I kind of twisted that backwards. We'll just put some caps over for safety. Okay, let's see if this lights with my transformer. Turn that on just in case we have to do a quick disassembly. Eyeballs. Yes. No more ER visits with burnt corneas. And we get nothing. That lamp is dead. Yep. Bummer. Oh well, it goes back. I don't need to hunt down my neon lamp tester, so that sucks.